Be upset this time next week when he drops a new album score.
Peeps, I am back on YouTube. I'm back on YouTube. Literally, I am just so gassed right now. But yeah, hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Lighting's a bit peak here because we're in the wilderness. But yeah, today I'm just thought I'd vlog because I'm on my way to go meet my friend, and we are gonna go to Shoreditch, check out some like good, maybe some foodie places, maybe also check out the Fenty, the new Fenty Rihanna thing that she's got going on. We are on our way, and I'm driving, so I need to be like so careful right now.
I gotta come down for Jasmine.
Hey guys!
Hey y'all!
Hey, we are
Don't mind me just brushing my hair.
It's okay.
So close back here.
We'll allow you. But we are in Shoreditch.
Yes, we are.
And we are on our way to, where are we going, Danielle?
We're going to Rihanna's pop-up shop in Boxpark. I forgot what it's called, but I think it's a lingerie pop-up shop called Savage something. You guys will find out when we get there.
So we're gonna go check that out, and we're gonna go check out a few other things as well, and
Get some munchies.
get some food, because food is life.
Sleeps.
Yeah,
You know?
this is my little, I love this baby so much, but
She's hidden at the moment, but
so
yeah.
you can't see her.
She's in there.
Yeah, but she's so adorable. So yeah, see you later guys.
So guys, this is Jasmine trying to find some inspo. We're about to take some pictures in this beautiful little view. It's pretty, isn't it? There's not much going on, but it just looks so clean and sharp. She's getting some inspiration, and I'm over here. Don't know if you can see me. It's so sunny today. It's not very often we get days like this in London, so when we do, we gotta enjoy it. Jasmine, do you wanna hurry up?
Hey guys, so I know I said that I'm gonna like a big thing about plant-based meat and plant-based food, but
Real foodies of life.
this happened. Danielle just really gave me bless her soul, and she said I had to get the full experience.
Yes, she wants to get chicken wings and fries, but you have to burn for chicken wings and fries.
Yeah.
Not me.
So no fries for me, but this is like, yeah, this is Bird, and it is a chicken and waffle restaurant here in Shoreditch, which is Danielle's area. So she knows everywhere to go around here, like great locations, so that's really, really good. So we've been able to just get some pics. We took some pics earlier, and it was so funny because Danielle had to change. She had to change, yeah, she had to go to mode to Danielle mode. So she had the baby in the carrier, and we put her down, and it was just a funny moment because she woke up, and if you're a mother then you know the pain. But yeah, so we're gonna eat this, and I will holler at you later. Okay guys, so we're at Boxpark now. We did try to go and see where the Rihanna lingerie Fenty thing is, but it's not there. So we just kind of went to like this really cool like interior place because we both want Scandi, and we just had a look at that, and now we're just gonna chill, take some more pictures, and yeah, this could be the end of this vlog.
If it is, guys, I'll
too. Cheerio. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Please subscribe to my vlog channel, Jasmine Alexan Vlogs. You can follow me on social media at Jasmine Alexan and also Snapchat Jasmine Alexan. So please stay tuned, please subscribe, and I just hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.